air sealing in weatherization projects, crawl spaces, attics. I think you're going to want to see this. One of our contractors brought this to our attention. He fell in love with it, but DAP came out with what they call their Sharpshooter gun. We really like this. Now, if you're used to doing the normal standard gun foam, this can be a challenge when you get into tight spaces. If I'm trying to work my way around something like this, especially, you start getting into places like this where it won't fit, crawl spaces, rim joists, places where these become hard. This has to be sitting upside down in order for it to work. So how you work around those spaces can be kind of a challenge. This seemed to be a lot easier. So all I did was take the rubber strap, wrap it around the can, connect it on here, and now I'm just going to go ahead and hook it up. Okay, so as you can tell, this is very maneuverable in here. I really like the way this works. It's so nice and compact. I don't feel restricted trying to get into small cavities and spaces. As far as cleaning it, to be honest, that was easy as well. We simply clean off the tip. Let me get the safety on for now. We'll remove the hose from our foam. I'm going to go ahead and clean this part out before I connect it up to my gun cleaner. And then just twist it right onto the gun cleaner. Now we're simply going to spray it out in another area here. As you can see, I ran it till it ran clear. So we talked to the folks from DAP. They said that the acetone does not hurt the gun at all. I really like that. We've got somebody that's used this for probably about 3 months already. They really like the gun. I would have to say I'm very impressed with the gun. If this works for you, by all means, reach out to your local branch. If you like the video, share it with others. But either way, reach out to anyone at IDI, where we look forward to earning your business every day.